Welcome to a culinary journey. Today, we're making a classic Filipino favorite, pork asado. Get ready to create a dish that's sweet, savory, and incredibly tender, perfect for any meal. Let's gather our essential ingredients: succulent pork belly, soy sauce, banana ketchup, and brown sugar. We'll also need garlic, bay leaves, peppercorns, water, and for an extra zing, some pineapple juice. First, combine your pork with soy sauce, ketchup, brown sugar, and minced garlic in a bowl. Gently massage the marinade into the pork, ensuring every piece is coated for maximum flavor. Let the marinade rest for 30 minutes. Now it's time to cook. Sear the marinated pork in a hot pan until beautifully browned on all sides. Pour in the remaining marinade, then add water and a few bay leaves for aromatic depth. Let it simmer gently, allowing the flavors to meld and the pork to become wonderfully tender. As the pork tenderizes, the sauce will naturally begin to reduce and thicken, creating a rich glaze. Simmer until sauce is thick and rich. Now, for the grand finale, plate your tender pork asado, arranging it artfully on a serving dish. Generously spoon that luscious, thickened sauce over the pork, making sure every piece is drenched. Garnish with fresh green onions or vibrant pineapple chunks for a touch of color and freshness. Serve this incredible pork asado hot, ideally alongside a steaming bowl of white rice. This dish is a true taste of the Philippines. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more delicious recipes.